Alright, in this video I'm going to teach you a bunch of different color changes. These color changes are ones that I'm working on, and I'll give credit where credit is due. And if you want to see the advanced stuff, I have my color changes, which with my products I always I always upgrade them with the newest stuff. I have the new gradual dose change, so click on the link if you want to see it. I have the super visual color changes. Video downloads, and I also have the books on Amazon. But in this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to perform it. Now this is what it will look like. Okay, so it's going to look like this. So watch, you're just going to go here. This is the first one. Okay, the next one. So we're here, and it looks like you're just rubbing, then you just shake. Okay, so that's another good color change. And then a third color change I'm going to show you will look like this. Okay. It'll look like this. So I'll perform it, then explain it. It's going to look like this. You're going to share your hands empty. Okay. You share your hands empty. Okay. And then you just boom like this. Okay. So. Okay, this is the Jerry Andrus startling color change. Here's what it looks like. Just wave your hand. Changes. And now I will explain. I'm going to show you that one. So this. Darin Martineau here from Master Magic University. In this video, I'm going to perform what's called the Phantom Monty by Al Leach. This is my version of it. I have the four aces. The ace of spades is the leader ace, of course. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take the ace of spades, put it on the bottom of the packet where you can see it clearly. Okay. I'm just going to mix up the cards a little bit, like this. We'll shuffle them, give them a little shuffle. I say shuffle because I can't say shuffle. I mix them up just like they do on the streets of New York. And you have to guess which one is the ace of spades. Any guesses? You over here, which one would you like to guess? This one? Oh no, that's not the ace. That's not the ace. Because I got nothing here. Look, these are all blank. Just like that. Now, nothing but a bunch of blanks. Blank, blank, blankety blank. Set these blanks down, and see, that's just an illusion. Magic is about illusion and reality. There we have the four aces. Hello, and I'm going to show you, this is something I'm really proud of. This is my gradual ghost change. It involves my classic, my original Eclipse color change that's used by Shin Lim. He performed it on a Spanish television special. This is my newest version of it, which I feel is better than anyone else's out there. So start off, you're going to take out a prediction. You can set the prediction as spectator's hand. And you say, what I want you to do is I want you to make your mind blank, right? You make a joke. Then you turn over and you say, oh, you're an enemy. Right? You show it as a blank card. You say, watch, just kidding. And what you do is you say, to the lady, you say, I'd like you to think of any card, right? And they're going to most likely name the Queen of Hearts. So what you do is you say, watch, I'm going to see if I can make your card appear. You come over and you actually just make it appear, watch. Make pieces of it appear like that. And then you say, look, well, if I just make half of it appear, there's half if I just rub half. And then you say, watch, if I rub the other side, I can probably get the other side going. Watch. See, I just wave and get the other guy. I can get this corner here. I can just cast a shadow and make the whole queen appear.